and I'm going to upgrade one person in my team, which it will be. I will upgrade this guy.
This baby is very genius, guys.
So he turned, like most of my team turned blue red.
Yeah.
So let's go here. Let's see what he has. Shield.
He just asking me, guys,
I
and
want
he just
shield.
flying IT, guys.
So yeah.
He's very handsome boy.
No.
No?
No, I was saying no for the game.
Go. Continue.
So now I need like everyone 100 rating. Like this guy. This is guy 99. I'm reaching to 99. I got this guy from a pack. So, but now I need a 99
Yes, guys.
one thing.
Just
And then
listening
turn
to
it
the
to
little
100,
boys.
then I turn it to
Genius,
101. Then yeah.
He want
Or
me
I
make
get
baby,
more
guys,
packs.
and he want to put to my YouTube channel, guys. Guys, it's
So
very
let's
cute,
see
guys.
what's new in the shop because it needs me.
Yes. He did to, what's the name of that, guys?
Allah!
Oh my God.
Allah! Allah! No.
He's the favorite of this game, guys. Right?
Allah!
See his face,
Free
guys.
pack. The worst free packs never get it.
Mhm.
Like 70 minus the 89 never get it. Or like this one you can get it. But it costs 22.5k.
22.5k, too much. A big.
Yeah. Gems. So I'm going to save up for that pack maybe one day. So now I will go to the Play Store to play a match with bots or with real people. So yeah. Who is that, brother? Who is that? That Qmati. What? Who is
Hello,
that?
Sherwina. Hi, Sherwina. I make video and Sherwina, she saw you. Hi to Sherwina. Hi,
Hi.
Sherwina. Hi.
رونالدو ميسي نيمار
إيمان
ايش في
وين؟
مع هذا؟ ايش في؟
Malaki na si Uyuwen. Maghima ako ng video para makakita ko
Elena, Sharwina, what is your video?
Oh, message to Sherwina. Please come again to my house in Kuwait.
She will not come back.
She will come back, I know.
Oh, you don't.
Because she will miss you. You don't want? Hello. Say hi.
I said hi.
More.
No.
Talk, more talk. Sherwina,
I'm trying
I
to-
miss your food. Please come back in Kuwait.
I'm trying to focus.
Eh?
I'm trying to focus.
No.
الله ايش في
Tingnan mo yun, walang kinaniyawing, oh.
ايش في
Oh.
هذا
Laki na si Yuyo, laki na sa Hamod.
عنده الله how is good goal I hate goal there's someone goal is in every team and he always scores
Yeah.
like every team I see it says goal like goal is the worst player the best player in the
Tingnan mo
world
mo, parang si
I wish I
Malukaw
had him.
eh.
Ronaldo
Ronaldo? Why you talk to Ronaldo?
I'm not. Because he almost took the ball from me. He has Messi and Barca fan. And I'm a Barca fan, but I don't like Messi. And Messi, a long time ago, he used to play with Barca.
When I go to
Barcelona.
Philippines, it's okay, you have another name.
Yeah.
Why? It's okay because you are big.
I don't care.
You don't care me! Okay, no problem. I will go. Coming soon. You don't miss me?
No.
I am taking care of you since from your birth. You will not miss me. What is this? You don't miss me, wala? You miss me. I miss you.
Stop, I'm trying to focus.
Oh my
That's
God,
why
ganito kayo.
What? How offside?
Okay.
عمي اسكت. How offside? How offside? برا البوكس. برا البوكس.
Wala siya pakialam na nako. Wala.
تصوري جوا البوكس
Okay.
offside.
I'm happy to hear that. You know, I'm happy to hear that.
Why?
Because it told me I'm not miss you. I don't care you.
Stop.
Aray ka! Ano to? Oh my God. You will continue, baby.
Yeah. It's going to be like 91 minutes or like something like that. But now we're in 45, which is almost 1/2 time because it's going to be 64 half time. Then we come back to go to 91. Then finish game. Maybe 90, 91, 92 extra time. Or 99. ايش في هذا? This guy is, I hate this guy. He has he has only silver cards and I'm losing. I don't know how. Mbappe.
Wala na siya pakialam ko.
Holland has all.
Mulayas na ko dire.
Holland has all.
I don't care you. Sabi niya.
Allah!
I
When
don't care you.
Mbappe vanished.
Sabi ko,
Mbappe
mabuhay na po sa
vanished.
Pinas, ha?
Bye bye.
Okay na niyo, iba na imong nani.
Mbappe.
Okay lang, wala akong pakialam sa'yo.
Mbappe.
Hindi, ha?
Mbappe.
Hindi mo ako namimiss, hindi. La, grabe to eh. Ganito ni
Christian.
Samahan.
Christian. برا البوكس برا.